Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to guide you through creating a marketing template with an image on our platform. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Webmatrik. First, log into your Webmatrik account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section on the left. Click the Add Template button to create your own unique message. Give your template a descriptive name that's easy to remember. This will help you quickly identify it later when you have multiple templates. Next, select the appropriate category for your template to align it with your message's purpose. Then, choose the language for your communication. Webmatrik supports multiple languages to help you connect with your audience globally. Now, it's time to select the template type. Each type serves a different communication need, so pick the one that best fits your message. If your message requires multimedia, click the header option, upload images in JPG or PNG formats, videos in MP4 format, and documents in PDF format. The maximum file size allowed is 5 megabytes. In the text box provided, type in your message or paste it directly. You can add up to 1024 characters to fully shape your communication. Engage your audience further with call to action buttons. You can add a phone number for direct contact, a URL to guide users to your website or social media page, or a quick reply option for instant feedback. A footer is a small yet powerful feature. Add a concise message here for contact details or a closing remark. Once you're satisfied with your template, hit the Create button. Congratulations! Your template is now ready to use.